You can speak fluent Afrikaans, and you speak Afrikaans still with your mother. Do you ever use speaking in Afrikaans to speak behind people's backs to sort of say things about them so that they don't know what you're talking about?
What do you think?
Well, I would do it all the time.
Yeah, and the good thing about Afrikaans is like 3% of the world's population speaks Afrikaans.
Yeah.
So you have a pretty good shot that
Absolutely.
nobody is going to understand you.
Yeah.
So I took a flight to New York. It wasn't like we were in Africa
No.
or anywhere close. It was like New York. And this guy was very rude. He kind of like pushed, we were trying to get our luggage at the carousel. And my mom and I literally were just like ripping into him, thinking that he couldn't understand a word. And he just turned around and just looked at us. And he was like, "Ja, ek kan alles hoor wat julle sê, hoor." And we literally we had nothing, we had no comeback. Like, it was just, and that's hard for me and my mom.